History Unboxers. Today we are going to talk about the art of Olmec stone carving. Today you see everything we are going to need for our project. The first thing you need to do is wet your stone. Wetting your stone helps keep too much dust from accumulating because you absolutely do not want to breathe the dust. We're going to start with our roughest sandpaper first. This is 50 grit sandpaper to round the edges of the shape. You want to keep the bottom flat so the Olmec head is stable when standing up. Again, keep the stone wet while you are sanding so you don't breathe stone dust. Use the water as needed to clean your sandpaper. Now you're going to take your orange sandpaper, which is 150 grit, and use it to remove scratches from the stone's surface. Now wet your last piece of sandpaper, the 400 grit, and use it to make the stone smooth. Rinse the stone when you are all finished. Next, you need to heat up your stone, either with a hairdryer or in the microwave. Once your stone is warm, you're ready to wax. After your stone is warm, rub the wax over the stone. The stone should be warm enough to melt the wax while you rub, and the stone will change color. Stand up the stone to let it cool when you are finished. When your stone is cool, you will place your paper face stencil over the stone, making sure to line up the bottom edges. Then, use a pen or pencil to trace the design on top of the stencil, pressing hard to leave a mark on the waxed stone. After you have traced Remove the paper and use your carving tool to engrave the lines into the stone. We recommend adult supervision for any of our younger learners using this sharp tool. After you have carved the lines, you will use the white cloth to polish your stone. If you mess up this engraving process, no worries, just heat the stone again to melt the wax you applied earlier. The wax will fill in the lines and you can try engraving again when the stone cools down. When you have completed your miniature stone head, think of all the skill and effort that went into the giant stone heads of the Olmecs.